Side hustles you can have to make money as an indie author. It is not as simple as it may appear to make a living as an independent author. Even if you are doing what you enjoy may become boring and exhausting if you do not have enough money to support yourself. An indie author's goal is to make a living by writing and publishing books. If you haven't started earning money from your books, how do you plan to make a living? Although publishing a book does not have to be expensive, some authors spend up to $3,000 on each project. Is this excessive? It is most likely justifiable. When you factor in the costs of editing, formatting, cover design, and printing, the cost of publishing a book is undeniably high. When you factor in the cost of advertising, it's a lot for expenses. While advertising can help you attract a larger audience and earn money from your writing, no author can guarantee a profit. Even if you feel certain that you will not benefit from publishing your book, you must play the game. Nonetheless, some authors are doing rather well in the business. To become a famous name in the game, you'll need a lot of time and a steep learning curve. We are glad to inform you that you may still make some additional money doing what you love and making a living while you're still on that curve. Don't worry, we understand that you won't be able to start selling cars, getting second jobs, or selling electronics right now. Good for you if you can do it. If you are unable to do so, do not despair. There is a way out. Not all authors must bleed for art. You can try out different forms of earning as a writer by utilizing the abilities you've acquired as an indie author. If you do a good job on these projects, you'll be able to start earning money. Let's look at some tried and proven side hustles that can help you supplement your income as an indie author. Working as a freelance editor. Working as a freelance editor allows you to continue learning while doing what you enjoy. Many authors are continuously on the lookout for experienced proofreaders and editors to assist them with their works. It is not only limited to proofreading and editing books. You can also venture into editing scripts, blog content, copywriting, and even press releases. As a freelance editor, you have a variety of options for working and finding employment. To begin, consider selling the services mentioned above on sites like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. You can also try networking and joining Facebook writing groups. Inform them of your proofreading and editing services. Finally, you may join the Editorial Freelancer Association to network with other editors, locate work, and earn money while doing what you love, writing letters. Affiliate commissions. Amazon is one of the greatest, if not the best, places to buy and sell books. Once your first book is published on Amazon, you can begin receiving royalties from each sale. Of course, this is the goal, but did you realize there is a way to achieve more? You can make money by joining the Amazon affiliate program. Make sure you sign up for the program when you upload your book. Every purchase completed through your Amazon affiliate link earns you money through the program. It is not limited to your book. You can use it on various publications and items. All you have to do now is compose a call to action article and embed the link. You can share these articles on social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even Medium. Amazon will give you a percentage of every purchase made through your link. You're not only promoting your book, but you're also making money while doing it. You can also check them out if your book is widely distributed and the site offers affiliate marketing. Copywriting and ghostwriting. We understand what you're trying to say. You can't write and give your employer full credit. If you want to generate money while you wait for your book to pay off, you'll have to make this sacrifice. As a ghostwriter, you can write for others while earning money doing what you enjoy. Writing a book does not always imply that the credited author will be well compensated. On the plus side, as a ghostwriter, you are unconcerned with whether or not your employer makes a profit. You are paid for your efforts. If you're having trouble releasing full credit, copywriting can be a good option. You'll usually work as a copywriter on magazine projects, email content, and speeches, to name a few. This job, believe us, pays tremendously. Formatting and design of the book cover. Book formatting and cover design are the last items on our list. It is not the best technique to make money for every independent author. You'll need the expertise to generate money while formatting books and developing cover designs as a service. If you're the type of indie author who possesses any of these abilities, you can make a lot of money by assisting other authors with book formatting and design. In addition to making money, you will be able to reduce the cost of formatting and designing your book cover from your total publication costs. You can sell your skills as a book formatting expert and designer on a variety of platforms. You may try researching to find reputable sites where you can provide these services and be paid. These sites include, but are not limited to, Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and several others. Finally, just because you're an indie author doesn't mean you can't live the life you want. Being an indie author can be difficult, especially given how long it takes to make enough money from these works. Instead of pondering how to promote your book, thereby incurring more expenses, consider the possibilities presented in this video and evaluate what works best for you. Don't forget that an indie author's primary goal is to make money, which you may do by doing what you enjoy. Go forth and earn that money. We hope you enjoyed this video on side hustles you can have to make money as an indie author. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide you with quality content for indie authors. Drop us a comment below on what kind of topics you'd like us to cover. Get more high-quality content over on our website at indieauthorresources.com.